na almost that is almost picking up. The expectation was saying Quebec was but I said
na loss back up na
back up no say it's a free baby net ba performance na me show tama so be am share the outcome no me share
but the entire banner it look good before the team draw banner na say
nations
okay
nation was so pa tama me share the entire proceedings na me raho so we share yeah since what Tete Kotoko in fact
red card no all the no account
red card no incident no
no me tell say na 10 against 11
and the issue cry but in football there are records to show say teams with records cry to me sha
it is surprisingly so Kotoko nya record no mobile game pa
another 1999 Kotoko has was not over the film and the 13th minute but House of Folk were impressive on that day. I'm going to one day.
You coach now will be the 10 players. So I want to free stadium.
And then last I even
say 10 will be the 10 against 11 in the board.
And I'm coffee.
Oh yes. Come on, they make us say
I can base that team no okay. Look at that can base that team.
Osman Ayiba no wake up coach na the 10 players so unkofi
tama je make say asem no ekon ya yede me makane ha say e ba players no performance nko ande a omo nche ara clubs no just say yede bibi ta omo support bi ta omo eno na ye hunti a affect Kotoko no oba ya ko outside a sa clubs no omo home base no ya na supporters ne ba e do the players na charge omo bobo no no say instruct them man na obi an go for mo kuni na umanko bebia eno ma go fu
no ba do kan en kre
je ka obi an go for mo ti
Kotoko ba okru mu a se me
obi an go for mo no just from person
be as a journal and report on those days Kotoko ba okru mu no whether we fu mu abatambe
na fu yenti mi ko mantem
je da bi ma do manko
ko je mai em go for you ni anya batunton
na we be for katofo sunan for do ma for
na se jamfu ni no mti stadium
obi abere
ni na so mo nyina ba ejama je kan se bibi am so Kotoko ya na ko se African bar na nipa no abebu afaso in 2019 ne etwa ye grosso be 6.5 billion OTs suppose say kan you na order so ho but obi so o train say you go African some of stadium na Africa be na African tama de me kan say se players no performance ni eja o so mo na saa de a etukuma so class be ba share more akọ because mo come home o mo enjoy support no mo pe no na orange right for ball boys na ba before so go no be ba controversial go
ba view na bobo say
share
teams no ya do be hard no
share dem de Kotoko left side ho defend ho Kotoko na di be na ko sui enti bibia tse the boys na ho de no enya nuso se de pe no because omenye stars so to speak and so they ba ko affect club no
okay
the pro at the given time be as Kotoko stars bi a one number 3 ni Papa Stadium no me sa control game no se si a ho pa na ye star be so mo kam chan be fu
baba ya na Morrison
the last game come out of PC
matama nya sem na ba pa na ye se be kan kro se safu ko me kan kro no kro de min suo se me kan ka baba ya onye star pa so to speak se Kotoko
baba just we do
me de ka sem onye mu ho akaka
so do oba ye da wo
obi na ye na
oba ye na wo
me kan untie nyese from the one no we
na no e do
o musa no o ya dey from how to as go dey fa no Kotoko ba jin fear
oba ye na wo do
I'm saying say si e ka Kotoko no do kura ba ye no oba kan go food home stars e bibio a mo do so
na say by
that to become a star no sometimes the news around you ebu were controversial to say odro o free RTU eba no na as go da ko to scam RTU
ne twa oba ne ato
how matter as go da to wi
bibia
that time so now there was a strong rivalry between Kotoko and Ashgood and Kotoko say tinchi omu hia Steven Odro so tell me chance even the news around news around sa controversy no alone ebe ma Steven Odro ba Kotoko bia person ko hade kro
matwasi o
mama example ebi aye nya sa news ni biem enei but baba ya so mom nipa na ko stadium sa brand ne no hu se so ate so tem chance ba baba ya born the first game edema ko say baba ya from King Faisal to Kotoko
on your support
and Yakoba say baba ya renew the contract and for King Faisal o ka say Alhaji ba out be kasai nti baba ya free King Faisal aba Kotoko no as a free agent no na ya Kotoko supporters need dey because Alhaji enye sika bi amfi Kotoko and there is that controversy between Kotoko and King Faisal.
Yes.
So what I'm saying, it's in the first game baba ya Sports Stadium Kotoko ni so atman some 10-15 minutes to win the game.
So momentum
I want to support us next start here coach for baba ya brem and what in the bem you start league Kotoko first match second match then was it their game against Karela and obe share goal.
Yeah.
It's time of share goal no after supporters you say baba ya baba ye team na di
of course
it's when you have such a player and for one safo bo awobo but supporters nya bagini tuma mo run the club no e masade to sell sa player no to the supporters
nti no supporters so yenso yedi ho for no so they said the time who can some so your star say dem can
mama can some get worry na e bia enye ko that's good. Also there's one thing as good supporters are failing to realize is that champion is still in court challenging the decision of the GFA. In fact, champion has gone further to the appeals court to get the club back. I suggest the supporters should rather back champion instead of trying to get rid of him. The matter of jurisdiction is not under contention here. So going to the ordinary court was a choice. So lawyer Safu Duku should note Asgo did not err by going to the ordinary court instead of CAS.
What I'm saying is they could have gone to CAS.
Okay.
Was
it that was a matter of choice and they decided to go to the ordinary court?
I'm so called to make my use as a basis.
Okay. Wadam for a lawyer back on the buy.
And tell me I can say fine, mom and Baba ya. They not make an amount to myself because I can't at the biggest stage here. Now go no pa.
No I say 9 matches at the Baba Stadium. Kotoko have won 1 and they have drawn 8. The home performance is very, very poor.
If you are Oma supporters Oma Hanifi.
Adinta.
Too.
Supporters Oma there.
Titi Ote. I will hear you more pay for me. Until forever. Okay. Say nay, obi sorry so be tiawa. What here sometime I you know. But at the same time, during your period no nyoma na wo ye na it affects the station sometime I do cool but why nyoma the tier station no
it is about the some ye nyoma
nyoma mo ye last year no nyoma no mo ye last year no they thought so mo ye tier obi but no mo nim so mo ye nipa no ni ho na Kotoko ye ti Kotoko 1935 no mo 1935 one tier se ne and how
the supporters no now this season got to have home matches eh
so say
the message me change say
that's what you say
the message me change
one can you say
the message me change supporters me classify when you supporters if I want the position and now occupy
that's what I say
almost sorry team last year because of a single person Nanya say nipa na moye no ba na ye Kotoko na moye no
let's say ba France obey oni
ti azam na make you because
onim say 7 to no say no
nana ya onye Kotoko forever obeko
but me say support
mama wa debi
asem he endorse am
mama wa debi I'm not introducing support we ne mama ba
bana me ba
oh say na nipa
no support o I tell you
say supporters e Kotoko nyina e 10 na even 2 or 3 e decide so be sade na omo ye supporters.
Oh, but wait,
mama wa asem na ye kana mfa ne serious no ti hwaye ti this is David obi ka say fi supporters
no man carry wait
ya sama me kana sa ayi saduku
yeah what the question
ya was supporters bi wo krom ha omo sorry gina
it has always been there
yeah no carry wait
na ba ye ka
the all can say what has always been there
so tell me say
we eat your Herbert we eat your now that's the
that is where I'm coming from and
I don't say also from
2003
and they be etia omo ye nana ayi kontompom but the point STRYKER is making is that so di nana kontompo
echi na ko ye bi tia na Kotoko ye tia no
mo say e to recover
but we are saying
never tie
avuto tom
equal to spiritual level it becomes a problem and they yet hey Yes, the last time I Kotoko G African Trophy 83. Tiasemi you. After 83 no.
That time
Kotoko Abo Finance 3. After 83. 93. 2001. And 2004, 2005 Confederation Cup. Okay. 93 there. They see. Then 2001. Safuti asemi you. Yenya supporters ni bia almost sorry against Herbert Mensah. Yeah. Say yempese Herbert be Africa. And a Herbert anji Africa. And the Herbert Toko. We ni Kotoko bi mo. 2001 Cup no why na anye Kotoko. So obi e bibi tie team no 204 205 against Hasa. Omo no mo ye Kotoko sabre. Omo ko why na anye Kotoko. Eti yempese me chene say so we a supporter fine nipa bia woni view. But when it turn into spiritual things, oh yeah, the etia will be a. Yes, so when say, oh, Mr. Two, but
where is serious? You know, serious engagement. But Asana,
league ya ebo ni
league ebo ni sisi by home table Kotoko da relegation
home table
about 4 games almost 6 points
out of 24
yes out of 16 4 more how many points
12 points
12 points Kotoko nya 6 Kotoko points
more relegation
yes so for table na we dem match some matters 12 points yes Eduana was 12 Insuatema was 12 Olympics was 10 Legon Cities was 10 Bechem United were 9. Nation Saves were 8. Bibiani Go Stars were 8. Haas were 8. Bofakwa were 8. Brekum Chelsea was 7. Mediama was 7. Tamale RTU was 7. Dreams was 7. Karela was 6. Kotoko was 6. Lions was 6. And Heart of Lions were 3.
And Omni relegation.
Kotoko 16.
3.
So we go. You go stay.
I don't know be a bell.
Enti Karela and Kotoko mo 6 no. Karela plus 2 and Kotoko plus 1.
And then the master for Bahani.
And the home quantum in Yajman.
And the master.
But I'm the Jibo can.
Now when you say surprising
the master for Bahani.
So you won't be free. And Katim be and one more with you.
Of course.
So
they didn't go to go there. I don't know who
with you. But over further away table now. Over away table now.
Go to go also.
Kotoko about 4 matches away. And Insuatema about 3 matches away. Okay. Insuatema 3 no more 4 points. Away no. Kotoko so 3 no or 4 matches no also 4 points. A 2 league table now. Insuatema away no by points. Insuatema that first Kotoko that second.
That's a Kotoko control na boating fee.
Yes.
Lawyer with the hard, you know.
Come on.
We had a young go you away.
The message you would just say if we so confirm time in administration be on about unyo do against.
So the point is that and no ka say nye emwa.
And what me stop what me ended that. Say in the human institution even here
to possess anko for munyai for everybody.
The question is whether or not anko for no carry weight.
Omo carry weight that carry matches because the draw going.
Yen ye dosun. Your party was support base about 10 million.
Like, you know where I disagree.
So if a few this granted if will be yes and
football nipa me ensambi ebet me a team kase and then wait
this a majority no relax it
you may not even see them and no come more preach
so we just also jam what you do so
numbers near the
I understand bibi no some minority be ya majority team nye that's the point I'm making
but minority be dangerous
they could be dangerous but Omo de ebetimi akosai
you so chiao Patrick Osajman can do no
tama sisi here can see here
Osajman guy is more fire
tama the best Djibouti ase say I don't think so na near time na serious supporters be against you sa impression na I don't know me because I'm vote here you need to support no ubenya a few ones be a woman sheda encourage with bia he enjoyed a considerable level of support base our Kotoko
one encourage obi encourage
no say no supporters in terms of the structures in Kotoko no more o can be omu no. Tell me what I see me say. Circus ni mama ina a relax. In fact, management no kra no. Me hu action pa dem mo. Oh, ni man do so tell me. So that's your ready. Tell me ni man do so.
I don't do that. Me too, no menyasa.
Tama. Me feel say. Se Kotoko no so say be adwuma say ya. Sani ma ye ken na no. We shall overcome them. But your stadium na enko he match no. Emma sa amura na boys na ehia no bunya dia. Any class no nkito nya ba be say I'm telling you. But that is how I see it. Okay. Someone me no. Only say because of support support base na affect
both. Me. Fabio yan phone ni. Fabio ni.
Oti baba.
Solo Jimmy Ameze. Tambe no send wa lawyer kasa. Ayi do solo jibra. Ba jibra. Ba da bi men kan ma yen solo jibra. Solo jibra boat di wo so ti busa lawyer say.
Na boat won have.
Osi busa lawyer say.
Osi please have you checked the coach's performance?
Me ba to say ka tu jam di bu. So wo ye ayi. Wa wo nua wo ne no chat. Ti asem busa ye. Please there be a today. Please have you checked the performance of the coach? And the lawyer obisi coach no say ya de kro. No no di nkomo. E no obi asem.
Me feel say in all this aside raising spiritual issues and the bad normal of football now. I think say same way after Kotoko first 2 games of the season I'm kind and me too. This has been my stance from the one I'm starting say me the football. She say who a football club player so we to player say auto player say a selected player amana kwa kobo match yem fa decision ni nyina nkoshi coaching sem
no na position
so to ti asema make you me say me do football me say a koto player say a selected player amana kobo ball ye selected player amama kobo ball any say ye ton player ye nya nshi coach nko ansem so take decision me I've never been in support of Yedi Ogum ka IMC no. They should rather take Ogum out from the IMC. Now unreported to the IMC. Ye free IMC nim, non reported to the IMC.
That's why too powerful.
So tell me and then Ogum is a very good coach. Ogum is a very good coach. Ogum is a very good coach. But Ejuma na position na occupy no. A position na adwene bebre na bam ansa na take decision etu ujama ba akofo a wan hwe ya zoto ebedu stage bi no so do ka wo bibi no be so che na adwena ontimi nkire se me hwe team no especially when it comes to even selections they mean when they say there is nobody within the IMC to question Ogum on a selection
who is he Asra Butu
na ko se pia to de no
are you
not too quick to judge? We are forgetting all other factors that contribute to everything perform at the highest level.
Factors,
how they started. Time of players not getting the players on board. We started the season, other players not from. So are you telling me, sir? Because
they're for the buy and say a drew time now say Pija.
Yes.
By Kotoko standards, no. So, but matches out of possible 12 as a 9.
Yeah.
Now 2 are by the club standard now form. That is what he reads.
And we question.
So, for the purpose of that, Obeso say, and Yaman Kuyi said the
good, sure. And no question. Kotoko game against Bicham. Baba Sports Stadium. More than Kotoko game against Iswatrama and Kobona. And the coach says, "We don't Kotoko ball. Team they are strong at home. It's a Kotoko lose valuable points at home. Musoto as against game I heard Iswatrama one go and share Kotoko. Musoto clear outside go. I refuse your money. Two the red card. The red card in the first half. I'm so all these things go to affect the team performance.
Analysis, by standard.
Where the coach
Kotoko standard. Where the match be will leave.
Mitoto obi na coach mengazo obi no make the no statement
obi man so you coach but what I'm saying is say o say why football now what team no even second division now coach second division now no meba second division now you coach ngwa man take care
me one person that maka say nyai team e coach
eti asema make any the here to be best no enye dey coach because team asema me tia make say here you to make say here like most of the players no na it's not me too say we are happy say league ayabo like 7-8 matches Kotoko that 9 for nothing are you happy Kotoko last 3 games out of asat last 3 games omobono 9 points omanya 2 na exams no mo yanko feli enti enyoma ebabua amatim ni kwa ni mo best at enya results mo asem ne yeka
the last 3 games omanya 9 points omanya 2 no you look at Kotoko against Nations FC away game what happened and then because I will take the coach on only on Kotoko same game and then Kotoko home and meet Kotoko game now but no game way boy look at what the referees and cover here
game now perform because referees will play role game now
referees will play role
game now share no agreed it was an offside goal and then you saw man but the general performance of the team was bad.
That is the point I want to make.
Because how many times? I want to tell them America. It's what I'm trying to say is say.
I've never said that.
What I'm trying to say, the best me say. The SC any pebi omotewa. Ye kobo match we are. Ombetimi ya question the some of the decisions of the coach. And ye will lose even when we're winning. Because team betting about what
interference.
Any interference. Oti we general manager.
Legitimate
we general manager of Promise Media.
That's a program.
Mr. My fraud question on some of the decisions. So to them just. Who nipa tio. Who nipa. And penfo si do twa sa no. Oni say bi kwa na tiache.
Yeah.
Ogu my thing say no nyoma na oye na right. But ebi also tiache football
be any right home.
No, yes. Some who some.
Oh yes. They say enra. They say enra game na no mo kobo no. Kotoko echo game ni Kotoko ko game ni mo. Kotoko ko game ni mo without Richmond Lamptey. Okay. Oh, now me say without Richmond Lamptey so ko ziwe bra. And me say Richmond Lamptey bobi. Me say without him Chelsea wa mobi. So tell me say and against Insuatreman time Kotoko ko ho no.
Insuatreman.
One of the best teams this season. Then Kotoko ko game ni mo no. So unni obi to say Lamptey. You have Zeze. Okay. But the coach decided to play a player at the age of 16 our Lamptey position. In some games you need experienced players. Eventually player na ntimi and deliver. Oh yes sir, you kill the confidence of the player. Time as Zeze be mo no. Time Kotoko timi wura even in Swatman 18-year boss. When Zeze be the pass for the mai. It is a bibi sa akoso a o se my question. And players odo mobile most of them are not performing. Actually they will start performing but this year they are not performing.
Maminya we ba na maba aya herbal medicine me ba o se a lawyer me ba we jibo ese betia me we had better so
issue na be to say house the enemy. It's when the house board called the coach mo kan ma dwene kire no and they look at the coach.
Okay, aya herbal medicine it's made from a blend of natural extract on